Hello and welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. I'm Raghav, and before I begin today's story, I wanted to take a moment to thank all of you. We have just reached 200,000 family both on YouTube and Udemy, and we have achieved this milestone at the same time on both these platforms. This is such a great and humbling experience for me. So thank you so much for all your love and support you have given to this channel and all the love you have given to my work, and I will continue teaching and we will reach many more milestones very soon. And today, in this episode, I want to tell you a very interesting story. Once upon a time, there was this very small and beautiful village. In this village, there were people who were involved in different professions, like they were farmers, agriculturists, tradesmen, fishermen, hunters, etc. This village was secluded from the main city and there was a river in between. Now, one day, a very learned, a very enlightened person who had read many scriptures, Vedas, and many books, he decided to visit the village, and he was coming through the river on a boat. On that boat, there were three other people with him who were the villagers or who belonged to that village, and these people were involved in different professions, like there was a farmer, there was a tradesman, there was an agriculturist. Now, this learned person asked one of these common person, have you read this particular scripture, this book which tells about life? And this common person said, sir, I have not read it. I am a very simple farmer. I do not know anything about this. And this learned person tells him, you know what, 1/4 of your life is wasted. Then he turns to the second common person and asks him, have you read this particular books and scriptures? And this common person again tells him, no sir, I'm a very simple fisherman, I do not know anything about this. And the learned person again tells him that, you know what, half of your life is wasted. And then he asks the same question to the third person and then declares 3/4 of your life is wasted. After some time, there was a huge storm in the river and the boat was rocking, and it was a very difficult situation. It was very difficult to keep the boat still. At this time, these common people asked this learned and enlightened person, sir, do you know how to swim? And this person says, no, I don't know. And they declare, you know what, your entire life is wasted. So this is a very small interesting story, and the message is, you may get and take hundreds of degrees, you can get hundreds of certifications, which is all fine, there's nothing wrong, but then you should know the skills, you should know how exactly to apply skills and how to get things done. So this was today's message in Sunday Special. I hope you liked it. You can let me know in the comments if you have any messages for me, and I will meet you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.